Today I am reviewing the Andromeda Insights Ultra 50 Gaming PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Let's kick things off with the heart of the system, the AMD Ryzen 7 9800X 3D processor. With 8 cores and 16 threads, a base clock speed of 4.7 GHz, and a turbo boost up to 5.2 GHz, this CPU isn't just fast, it's cutting edge. Built on AMD's Zen 5 architecture, it offers tremendous efficiency and raw power, perfect for gamers and creators alike. Whether you're pushing 4K frame rates or rendering complex video timelines, this chip delivers buttery, smooth performance across the board. Backing up this powerhouse processor is a beast of a GPU, the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5080 with 16 GB of GDDR7 memory. Yes, you heard that right. GDDR7, which offers significantly faster memory bandwidth and improved efficiency compared to its predecessor. This means smoother ray tracing, quicker frame rendering, and high frame rates even at ultra settings in demanding titles like Cyberpunk 2077, Flight Simulator, or Starfield. If you're a gamer who wants future-proof visuals, this GPU is built to perform now and well into the next generation of gaming. The Ultra 50 frame doesn't skimp on memory either. It includes 32 GB of DDR5 RAM running at 6,000 MHz. That kind of speed allows for seamless multitasking, blazing fast game load times, and zero lag even when switching between resource-intensive applications. Whether you're streaming, gaming, editing, or running AI-powered tools, this setup has you covered with room to breathe. Storage is handled by a generous 2 TB NVMe Gen 4 SSD, which means you get insanely fast read and write speeds, reduced load times, and more than enough space to store your favorite games, projects, and media libraries. It's a setup that balances speed and capacity beautifully. Powering all of this is a reliable and efficient 850-watt gold-rated power supply. This ensures maximum stability, energy efficiency, and clean power delivery, even when all components are under full load. And since this is a gaming rig, of course it comes with ARGB fans. Not only keeping things cool, but also adding a custom RGB aesthetic that'll look stunning in any setup. Connectivity-wise, you're well equipped with built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth thanks to the B650 motherboard. Whether you're gaming online, transferring files via Bluetooth, or connecting to peripherals wirelessly, this PC makes it easy and stable. And let's not forget the software and support. The Ultra 50 frame comes preloaded with Windows 11 Home, giving you access to the latest gaming optimizations, security features, and the sleek new interface. It also includes a standout 2-year parts warranty. And here's the best part: lifetime labor and service warranty from a US-based team. That's an incredible value and peace of mind for long-term users. So who is this PC for? In short, everyone who demands elite performance. It's perfect for gamers who want ultra settings and high frame rates in 4K. It's built for content creators who juggle massive files and need lightning-fast workflows. And it's ideal for tech enthusiasts who simply want the best that 2024 has to offer, wrapped in a high-quality, future-proof build. In conclusion, the Ultra 50 frame with RTX 5080 and Ryzen 7 9800X 3D is an absolute powerhouse that doesn't cut corners. It's engineered for serious performance, packed with the latest tech, and backed by a generous warranty that shows confidence in the build. If you're ready to elevate your gaming or content creation experience to a whole new level, this desktop deserves to be at the top of your list.